The new Ferrari 812 Successor has been caught red-handed, and this should be coming out next year with a V12 engine. What's good, guys? Welcome back to Ron's Rides. Welcome back to the channel, and welcome back to another video where the successor to the Ferrari 812 Superfast has been spotted by CarScoops, and this car is expected to be unveiled next year. And despite some rival car companies downsizing or hybridizing their powertrains, well, the latest Grand Tour from Ferrari is expected to retain a naturally aspirated V12. We'll see if that actually happens. Now, a handful of prototypes of the 812 Successor has been spotted in recent months, hidden beneath the camouflage bodywork of a smaller Roma, and these prototypes have been interesting because they very much sounded like they've been driven by V12s with no visible charging ports, suggesting that Ferrari will not hybridize its flagship engine as Lamborghini has done with the V12. Now, with that said, Autocar has reported that the 812's replacement will hit the market with a naturally aspirated V12, despite the company acknowledging that it's not the most efficient option and that a turbocharged V8 could provide better performance. Now, Ferrari head of design Flavio Manzoni said, from an emotional standpoint of view, the V12 is the best you can have. Now, it's reasonable to assume that Ferrari will make some changes to its V12 for use in the new model. You can expect that the performance will also be lifted, ensuring that it delivers slightly more than the 819 horsepower that it does in the 812 Competizione and the 829 horsepower of the Daytona SP3. Now, the V12 could eventually be updated to support e-fuels, which Ferrari previously suggested these fuels could allow it to continue building combustion engines beyond the year of 2035. Now, design details for the new model remain under wraps, but Autocar has a rendering, and they say that it will share some similarities with the Persangue and as such look quite different to the 812. Of course, we can expect to see some familiar proportions with a long hood. Now, a relatively roomy cabin should also feature, which will be just as tech heavy as the interior of the hybrid 296 GTB. But what do you guys think? Will Ferrari keep the V12 in the next 812 Successor? And what are you guys excited about for the 2024 launch? Drop those comments down below. Now, if you guys did enjoy the video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, but click the notification bell so you don't miss one video. With that said, you guys be blessed, have a great day, and we will talk to you guys in the next Ron's Rides video. Peace.